Hi, good evening, my beautiful people. I hope you are guys doing extremely well and having a fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I want to explain my project that's name is a study pointer. A study point is a full stack EdTech platform. Its front end is built with React.js for a dynamic user interface, and the backend is powered by Node.js with Express.js for handling API request for the database management. I use MongoDB to store data and course material. User authentication is securely handled via JWT for session management and Bcrypt for password hashing. Media content like course material is managed via Cloudinary, and payment integration is done through Razorpay payment integration. That is the architecture of my study pointer. I want to discuss one another thing in this video, that is a user authentication. If we talk about how did I implement a user authentication in a study pointer, the answer is for secure user authentication in a study pointer, I used a combination of OTP, that means one-time password, for initial verification or password reset, and traditional based password login. For password strong, I utilize Bcrypt to hash password before saving them into the database, which protects plain text password exposure. For session management, I implemented JWT to create a secure stateless tokens for authenticated user. So, in this video, architecture of a study point and user authentication is done. And the next video, I want to explain further about a study point. That means how I implement, how I build using MERN a stake of a study point.
How this page is looking like. This page is like this. This is the instructor page, and this is a review. This review is from a student gives, and this is a footer parts. If we talk about how to log in instructor, so I need to click on the button become an instructor. So I click it and then log in. First of all, I need to log in this. Give the email ID and then password for user authentication and authorization. Then I logged in this desktop, that means dashboard of instructor. Instructor can first of all see the process of how many courses a student are purchased and how much amount are generated when a student are purchased the courses. The first thing is currently I'm working on the dashboard. That's why not visible anything. If you talk about the my courses area, these things are looking like this. Instructor can edit delete this courses also. This course is public, available on this, available on here, like Python here. This is the instructor part, and instructor can create a courses. Obviously instructor can create the course. This is the title courses and take image. These things are here, and here the setting button. Instructor can change their names. I mean edit their details here, and also upload the image through cloud media management. Also for a password hashing, that means a password, secure password, current password, new password. If you want to change the password, then here you need to insert your password and change it. And also if instructor want to delete a account, then here instructor can click here and delete it. Then these things are deleted. That means instructor account has been deleted. If you talk about the student, how a student can first thing, student need to log in the page. Here log in the page from the student ID, and then a student can see their cart, how many courses are add to cart here, and also visible the amount, total amount of the course. and directly a student can purchase from here. And also check that enrolled courses are from here. These things are here. That means a student can watch their lecture from here. This is just for example purpose. I insert this video. And also a student can add review after watching this video. After completed this video, the student can add review if they want. Rating, add rating, how many rating are they want to give, and all these things. If we talk about architecture of a study pointer, the study point project is based on full stack full stack based, that means education platform. One, the front end, it's built with React.js for dynamic user interface. And then if you talk about the backend is powered by the Node.js with Express.js, handling API request for the database. I used MongoDB. Sorry for that. I used MongoDB to store user and courses data. User authentication is handled securely using JWT, that means JSON Web Token, for session management, and bcrypt for password hashing. And media content like course material, lecture video, these things are managed via Cloudinary. And also in this project, in this study point, I integrate the payment gateway from the, that means through Razorpay. So that's all about my side. Thank you everyone for listening to me so patiently. Thank you so much.
At last, I thank you people once again for listening to me so patiently. Thank you so much.